My name's Steve Kenzora from absolutely Ontario, Canada. Something about the chainsaw makes you, it just brings out the best of me. My plan is to carve a great white shark. I also plan on throwing in Australian seal. I carve every day, so I'm not very scared of the endurance part of it, but the heat here scares me a bit. Day 3, I'm going to get the sea line worked out and just tidy up some of the water and work on the face of the shark. Got some air into my water here. Got some more detail on the teeth. Trying to smooth out the shark. This year has been amazing. It's always great. This is my 3rd time here, so it's always great.